Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SONGMICS umbrella base, square patio umbrella stand. There are features include: fits various umbrellas. This umbrella stand, which includes 3 reducer rings, accommodates umbrella poles of various diameters, 1.3, 1.5 or 1.9 inch. Note, it is not suitable for cantilever umbrellas. Stable support. With its solid construction, which comprises a cross base, pole holder, outer frame, and a bag that can be filled up to 88 pounds of sand, this umbrella base ensures stable support for your umbrella. Enjoy the great outdoors with peace of mind. Premium materials. The main frame is made from robust steel, providing strong support. The plastic corners protect your floor from scratches. The cover made from 600D Oxford fabric is durable and long-lasting. Easy to assemble. The sandbag stand's simple structure, clearly labeled parts, and comprehensive instructions facilitate a quick and effortless assembly process. Thoughtful details. The stand features a tightly closing zipper to avoid sand leakage, and its cover is thoughtfully designed with fastening hooks for secure attachment. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.